In this video, I will share a simple mathematical magic trick that you can practice easily and impress your friends. So, watch this video to the end. Ask your friend to choose a number without telling you. Then, ask him to do some calculation using the numbers he has chosen. And surprisingly, you can guess the end result of the calculation. How does it work? Check this out! Before we go to the video, please press the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss the next trick. For example, your friend chooses number 371 and you don't know what number he chose, and you ask him to multiply the number by 2. Then ask him to add the result of calculation by 15. Then ask him to multiply the result of the calculation by 3. The next step, ask him to add the result of the calculation by 33. Then ask him to divide the result of the calculation by 6. Then ask him to reduce the calculation result with the numbers he has chosen. Whatever number your friend chooses, the result will always be 13. With a note, the selected number is not more than 8 digits. Thanks for watching and see you next time.